okay.
It's always going to be MGM Studios.
Just kidding, Hollywood
Just like
Studios.
downtown Disney is always going to be Disney Springs or Pleasure Island or one of those ones we remember.
We're here before, it's like the calm before the storm.
Before Star Wars Land. And for today, before the rain. Because it's supposed to move in a couple hours, like 2-3 hours, and storm the rest of the day. So we're going to get done what we can. I want to try to see what that new cruise, not cruise, Lightning McQueen Racing Academy.
We haven't seen that yet.
Yeah, we haven't seen it yet, so hopefully, we haven't watched much on it, so hopefully it's pretty cool.
We got a lot to do.
Yeah, we got a fast pass at 11:10 for Tower Terror, so we'll be over there shortly. We can do some shopping, some eating, and have some fun.
Let's go.
Let's do it. I've been waiting for this reveal for a little while since we haven't come over this way in a while, because we've been focused on other parts of the park, but today we are going to do Tower Terror. Are you scared? Well, there goes that idea for Tower Terror. It is down. Looks like it's down for a little while. We'll just go try Lightning McQueen real quick, since we haven't done that.
To share his racing insights with all of you. The man you've all been waiting for.
Come later! Oh, y'all thought it was gonna be someone else. Well, hey there, rookie racers. You're parked in Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy.
Wheels together for second-time Piston Cup champion and Mater's best friend, Lightning McQueen! Ka-chow! Whoa, Mater, that was some introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stuff with lights, lasers, and smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke!
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait a minute, the wrong way. Driving backwards here. Is that what we said? Look like a Cadillac, think like a Beamer. Not how I thought this lesson was going to go. But Chick reminded me that in the end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
Oh man, I'm getting all rusty eyed back here.
We stopped in the store. Look at all these cool 4th of July merch they got. Look how awesome this patch is.
$9.99.
$9.99. And of course, we've seen this before. Patriotic merch. Oh, look at this hoodie. Uh-oh. I think Ashley just saw something that's going to go to her collection. How much were the salt and pepper shakers?
$20.
20 bucks? All these cool plates. I just have a feeling if it makes it to the warehouse, it's going to go quick. Don't you think?
Limited release, Alex and Ani ears. Oh, how pretty. So pretty. Tarek, I think this is for you. It's already a 2020.
Disney Parks. That's for here though.
That's for here, but he can still use it to plan.
He can dream about being in Disney World. How cute are those?
One of my favorite characters from Toy Story 4. I love
They were, I'd probably say one of the breakout stars along with Duke and...
Oh, look at them. Look how cute they are.
How much are those?
$27.
And you get 3 in 1. Do they have Forky in there too? Oh, if these ever make it to the character warehouse, I'm getting that just for Duke and Ducky and Bunny and Forky. Looks like they don't have any of the Funko Pops left of Forky. How adorable is that? What is that? Just a hair bow?
16.
What's that behind him? Purses?
How about this? The picture
That is adorable.
I guess it feels like a sheep.
It's $65.
65. Oh, and they even get the hats. We run things, son.
Oh, that's cute.
This is probably one lounge fly that I want.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
$70.
70.
Is that what it is?
Character Warehouse, come on.
Watch yourselves. Have you pledged your loyalty to the First Order? That was a bold and unwise answer. On your way. I'm watching you.
You want to take your hand? Wait right behind his fan. Pick up their almost forgot.
Mm-hmm.
You do realize that's recording. It's recording. No.
You can't eat it. Turn it around for a selfie. There you go. It's not a creature you can eat.
Yeah, that's you.
We're documenting everything that you're doing right now.
I love that. Mustache looks good.
We know you look good. You're so handsome.
Are you talking to yourself? That's good.
Thanks. I know. So we love you. Right over here.
That yellow marker over there.
So right now we're heading over to Toy Story Land just to see it, but they still have the Mninsaburg and Creta Summer going on. That's a fun little area. You can meet Mike and Sully in there. What? Meet Mike and Sully. We might have to do that today.
Howdy, Sheriff Woody here.
Sorry guys, excuse me.
I don't even think Ashley just noticed that Bo Peep walked right by her. Did you even notice that, Ashley? Bo Peep walked right by you? Bo Peep.
I didn't even see her.
Yeah, I got her. Here comes Woody.
I'm Jessie, and here in Andy's backyard, it's always playtime.
This tower is not very steady. Can't we get Bose to help decorate, or Wheezy, or Sarge, or anyone? Forward, march! Lip, lip.
What you got there?
You remember we got the Frozone last time we were here? Slushy? It didn't have this.
Cotton candy.
So they added that. Oh, you thief.
But you know, this is
It's very sticky.
Very sugary. Oh, I got Pop Rocks.
Oh, Pop Rocks.
what is your name?
Stop. You'd better believe eyes are on you.
You know, you gotta stop and look around sometimes. I've never seen these keys to the kingdom.
Has anybody collected
Mickey
those?
Mouse key. Read them. Hatbox Ghost key.
Pirate keys, Walt Disney World key, Haunted Mansion key, It's a Small World key, Hitchhiking Ghost key, Alice in Wonderland key.
$34.95.
Oh, those are cool.
Look how cool they are. Did you have fun?
It's just a fun ride.
I love Tower of Terror. Ooh, look at the clouds coming in now. Luckily we brought the umbrellas today, huh?
Yep.
So far we've done Lightning McQueen and Tower. And Ashley's checked out every single penny machine.
Really?
When we went on Tower of Terror, it was a 90-minute wait. We just got off and it's 1:15. Oh my God. Hey, there's Chewie up there. I know him.
I know him.
We forgot to mention earlier that today is the last day of the March of the First Order. For now, at least. Oh, they added the Porgs to the show, look. Oh, I just missed Fett. Just over a month, they're gonna start letting people in there for the past solar previews. Can't wait. It's about to be another March of the First Order. Does it seem like there's a lot of them today? Because it's the last day? Yeah. They've been doing them every hour so far. It's pretty iconic to miss that, you know, for that to go away. But Galaxy's Edge is opening up next month. This is actually the 4th time today we've seen it. I wonder how many different metal Earths they have. Too difficult for Bob. I'm on the hunt for Astromech balls, the BB-8 candy, which we haven't been able to find anywhere. I might have to pick up some taffy though. Now, if those socks make it to the character warehouse, I would definitely wear those, even if they're tall. Trying to rectify a problem we had in a couple of our last videos. Welcome to our ending.
It was a great day. It was a fun day.
And now it's starting to rain. We beat it though. We got everything done we wanted to do, right? What do you got? The umbrella? Let's pull out this umbrella. Through the magic of vlogging, the umbrella's up now. Through the magic of vlogging, it's up now.
There we go.
Yay!
But we had a great time. Got to do everything we wanted to do. We got to see the March of the Last Order. This is the last
March of the Last Order. That's what we're gonna call it from now on. That was the March of the First Order. Their last march.
That's what I meant to say.
It was kind of funny. The last one we were watching, I think I just put the camera right here. There's Bob and Ashley, and it was Tony and Lisa from
Hi guys. I didn't get to see you guys.
I didn't see them again either. They were gone. They went away with the order.
They're trying to beat the rain probably.
Yeah, they're smart.
But thank you guys so much for coming along. Let us know what's your favorite part about Hollywood Studios.
It's when it's not raining is my favorite part.
Yes.
But it's starting to come down.
Yeah, it's starting to get real guy.
So
thanks guys.
Don't waste a day.
Every day's a gift.
Bye.
Bye.
We are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today. We're really on our way, yeah. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode.